Today on 21st Century Television, join us as we explore innovative technologies, cutting-edge solutions, and timely discussions from leaders across the globe. Featuring guest host Donald Trump Jr. This is 21st Century Television.
Early childhood development is crucial for a child's success, but early education sees limited support and funds are typically allocated to higher education. Here today to discuss how their company is helping children and adults develop a powerful vocabulary, we have partners, Avery Williams and Cameron Cope, as well as regional distributor, Dr. Stephen Lammer from TechnoTutor. Welcome to you all.
Great to be here.
Glad to be here. It's good to be here.
Thanks.
Dr. Lammer, developing a child's vocabulary is obviously very important, but why is early intervention so necessary?
Words are the tools of thought, and there was a Harvard researcher named Johnson O'Connor who laid that out very clearly. And that what we do know is that the larger the vocabulary that a child has, the more likely they are to be successful in life. You can actually even track their ability to make money later in life. More than that, as children get a larger vocabulary, not just do they do better, but our gross domestic product goes up, and crime actually comes down on the same tangent that the gross domestic product goes up. So it rebuilds America and the middle class.
Cameron, how does your technology address this very important learning step?
Well, because vocabulary is the foundation of how we express ourselves and how we learn new information, we don't have time to stop and think about every word that we use when we're learning. So we take vocabulary from thinking into knowing, because we feel confident when we know something but anxious when we don't. So we want every child to feel confident when they're learning.
Avery, what makes TechnoTutor the best solution for your clients?
The thing, we're starting how the human actually learns. And with the TechnoTutor technology, we're able to have a child, no matter what the subject that they're taking, what other opportunities are out there, what job that they do, they're able to say, I can do that.
Well, guys, thank you very much. It appears that you're trying to really fulfill a need that's really important in this world today. So good luck to you and to TechnoTutor.
Thank you.